Hey guys, and welcome back to Celine Styles. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on bubble braids. This does get a little confusing seeing how there's kind of two ways to do bubble braids, but there's not really a way to differentiate the names of them. So today I'm going to be doing the one that's in the thumbnail, and then I do plan on doing another video of the other kind if you have any idea of what I'm talking about. Actually, I'll insert a photo right here of like the two different kinds. I'm not gonna lie, I hate putting elastics in my hair. I literally hate it because it rips out all my hair. I mean, I just try to cut them out and things like this, but I already know I'm gonna lose hair just trying to do this. I almost did it with normal rubber bands, but you honestly can't. They just don't hold it in place enough. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I'm gonna go right into the video because there's honestly not much to explain other than me actually doing the hairstyle for you. So let's get started. First off, I'm gonna start out by parting my hair down the middle instead of my side part. And it's gonna look a little funny because I have a cowlick and my hair doesn't like being parted in the middle. But for the sake of this video, look at that. Awful. Anyways, for the sake of this video, I am going to be parting it down the middle, and I don't really have a mirror to do this other than looking at myself in the camera, so bear with me. I'm going to put one side out of the way so we don't have to worry about that. I'm just going to put it in a quick little ponytail. Okay, so now that we have the two sides apart, I'm going to start sectioning the hair, almost kind of like you're going to start a French braid. You're going to take like a little triangle of hair up here. Doesn't have to be too crazy precise. I am going to clip this hair away every time I do a section because it just helps it not get stuck in the elastic. Okay. All right, so you have your section. You're going to take your elastic and make a little ponytail right at the base of it, I guess. Not the top, but like the base. All right, one little ponytail. You're going to clip this out of the way, just like that. You're going to take the next section and do the same thing. You're going to be making another little ponytail. And you want the ponytails to end up like where you want the braid to end up. So if you want it closer to your face, go closer to your face, further back, etc. I'm pretty much sticking like right down the middle, like kind of where I like to wear my French braid is where I'm gonna be putting the little ponytails. Okay, so we got the ponytail in. We are going to tighten that. And there's that. Okay, so now where the fun comes in. So now that you have these two ponytails, you're gonna take the first ponytail and you are gonna cut it down the middle, just like that. And you are going to put this ponytail in between the two pieces. Can you see that? So one side of the front ponytail goes around each side of this one. Then you're going to clip this out of the way, like so. And you're going to take this hair along with the next section and make a ponytail. I'm going to try to give you guys a better angle. So grabbing the next section. I realized I told you I was going to clip this hair out of the way every time and I'm not, but I'm just like going with the flow, so bear with me. Okay, so now we have that. Now you can let this hair piece down, back into that, and now we're going to repeat the same process. So the second pony that we had out of the way, we're going to cut that in half, just like so. Bring the last ponytail that you just made. You're going to bring that and section it out of the way. Okay. And we're going to take the next section and put a hair tie in it. You're going to be doing the same thing all the way down. Once you get the hang of it, it's really not bad. If you want to practice on a friend first, that might be able to give you a better idea of like how to move your hands and how to place the little ponies. So there's that. And then we're going to take this down. Now at this point, I'm going to start pulling them out because if you get all the way to the end and then start pulling them out, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. So at any point as you're working down, you can start pulling on them, whatever you think is going to be easier for you. And you're just going to start pulling on each side. You're just kind of butterflying it out. I don't really know what to call it. You're gonna have to excuse my nails. They're so bad, but I'm trying to grow out a gel set and I don't want to rip them off because my nails underneath are very fragile. And anyway, so you're gonna butterfly these out like so. All right. And it's already looking so cute. If you want, you can put a little volume in this little top triangle part. Okay, and now we're gonna continue. So we have the ponytail here, we have the ponytail here. We're gonna cut this top one in half, like that, and put the bottom ponytail up and out of the way, right over here. And we're going to continue with another ponytail. So we got that in, and we're gonna tighten that up. Bring down this top piece. We're cutting that in half, bringing the bottom ponytail through, just like that, and clipping it out of the way. I would say go down like a few loops and then start like pulling it together, or pulling it out, I mean. Okay, so we're on to the last section. The last section that's connected to your head anyway. And we're gonna put all the hair down here in a pony, just like so, and release your pony that's above that. Now at this point, again, I'm gonna start pulling on these so it's not too hard at the end to adjust them. Just like that. Okay, so now you have everything that's connected to your head done, and you're gonna be left with two ponytails down here. You're gonna do the same technique, but you're not gonna add any hair to it. So the top ponytail gets cut in half, the bottom ponytail goes through that and gets pinned out of the way. Then you're gonna take this hair down here and you're gonna make a little ponytail. You wanna give yourself like a little bit of room. Like I could have it tied like all the way up here, but you wanna give yourself a little bit of room. That way you can create the bubbles and it's not super tight all the way down. You're gonna take that, fan it apart, just like that. Take this ponytail down. Again, the top ponytail gets cut in half. The bottom ponytail gets put out of the way. When you're putting this ponytail out of the way, try not to pull too hard. You're just getting it out of the way. You don't want to be putting stress on the braid and like ripping it in one direction. Okay, so you got these two, and just like before, gonna put a little hair tie in that, leaving yourself, I would say about like an inch, inch and a half of room to give yourself that little bubbled look. All right, and pulling that out just like that. Bringing this down, top ponytail cuts in half. I feel like this is very repetitive. Bottom ponytail goes through, clip out of the way. Take this, put your elastic in it, about an inch, inch and a half down, and you're gonna continue to do this until you get to the bottom of your hair. You can leave a little ponytail at the end, you're gonna kind of have to. So there's that. Let this go, cut in half, bring around, bottom one goes up, and these two get tied together. This is such a cute look, and especially for people who don't know how to French braid. I know a lot of people say that this resembles a French braid, and it does to a degree. I don't think it looks the same. I actually think it looks a lot cuter. But yeah, if you don't know how to French braid, this is a really cool alternative to have like a fun look in your hair. Okay, we got that last one in there. Pulling that apart. And then I don't really have room for more, so I'm gonna take the two little tails that are left and I'm going to put a hair tie around them. And it's actually going around the hair tie I just put in. I'm just kind of adding the rest of the pieces. So that's where we are left. I'm sorry, I know it's a little dark. I'm gonna try to make it as easy for you to see as you can. Okay, so then you're just gonna go through and just adjust these how you want. This doesn't have to be like a two braid on each side thing. You can do one down this way. Basically anywhere you can do a French braid, you can do one of these. So one on each side, one down the middle. You could do them from here to here and then put them in cute little ponytails. So you can incorporate this braid to make several different looks out of it. And you can make it as voluminous if you want. Like you can really fluff it up if that's your style. You can keep it further down if you don't want it too wild. So that's the look. You can always bring pieces down around the face after. I like to do that. Actually, usually I bring them down before, but it makes it a little hard with this look because then they're getting in your way like the whole time you're trying to like put the look together. We'll just do a few little baby hairs for now. All right, we're gonna move on to the next side. I'm not gonna do this side like super slow because I explained it pretty well over here. So I'm gonna start showing you a little bit up here and then I'm gonna fast forward through the end. So taking a little triangle up here and we're putting it in a hair tie, hair elastic. You wanna make sure that when you're doing these, you try to make them pretty symmetrical. Like you don't want one braid way over here and then the other braid way back here. Like try to put them so they're going to be even. I know I have like a ton of frizz. It's whatever, it's summer. The second humidity touches my hair, it's just, it is what it is. Okay, got that pony in, bring it over, clip it. Take a section underneath that. A little ponytail, move that up, let this down, top ponytail, split in half, bottom ponytail goes through the two, and we clip it up here. Then we take the tails that are left up here, we add it to the next section of hair, and we make a pony. Okay, bring this down, top ponytail gets cut in half, bottom ponytail goes between the two. Clip this out of the way. I'm gonna finish this down to the base and then I'll check back in with you guys. I'm gonna take this upper ponytail and split it in half, go around the bottom and tie it underneath. All right, putting this pony in. Okay, I'm gonna continue down to the bottom and then I'll be back. Yeah, it's definitely harder when like you go down quite a ways and then try to flip it up. Okay. And there we are. I just think this is so cute. Such a good summer look. Definitely don't go swimming in this look. Don't get your hair wet. You will never get the elastics out. You'll have to go bald. Kidding. I'm just being so dramatic. But yeah. Super, super cute. This is bubbling up a little bit more, so I'm just gonna kind of match the sides. I like it messy and crazy. You can definitely tone it down. Like you don't even have to really pull them out much at all. You can just band them in that way and have it more sleek, but I just think it's so cute when you fluff them up. This is a great like festival concert look. Yeah, definitely cute. All right, guys, and that's it for today. This is a pretty short video. I'm just going to show you this one look. Like I said earlier in the video, you can use this technique and do it in a few different ways, but I hope this was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. If you have any idea for other hair videos that you want to see and different tutorials, please comment down below and let me know. I am going to be doing another bubble braid video here soon, the other way to do it, so stay in tune for that and have a great rest of your day.